Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find screen time settings on your accounts on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now here you will find settings and privacy, and here you will find, as you see, screen time. Click on it, and here as you see you can manage your screen time settings as you want. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.